my name is Princess, and I'm proud to say that I'm a Reginian. I really love Regine Velasquez as my team. Why I love her? It's because of her voice. She really has a nice voice, and everybody knows that. And aside from that, I also like her because she really has a personality. So I wasn't being able to meet her or talk to her or be with her personally, but I can really say that she's a good person because they say she's very humble, very down to earth. Though some other people say she's very sublada and everything, but I just think she's just so shy. Just what all he said, because of course we all know that she is a professional, and and I really appreciate her because at this point of time, she had been saying, her voice since she was young till now. She can really high notes, and for now, I think she's singing can maintain that kind of voice because as people get older, eventually the voice and everything is getting like so that's it. And she is different because she can really, I know she's still a doctor for years. And why I said that she's very good personality, proof, it's because if she don't have a good personality, she will never get on where she is right now. Right? Yeah. And she's also a good actress. Yeah, I like her acting because it's so natural. Yeah, and that. And she also knows how to draw. She's very versatile in everything. She's a producer, and then she arranged her own songs. So amazing, right? She's so wonderful. Yeah, and I love this. She knows how to dance, and at least really like her. And whenever I listen to her song, I was like, natutulala ako because her voice is very soothing, so mellow, I really like it. Very angelic. Her voice is so angelic. And yeah, hopefully I can meet her later. Yeah, that's my wish. It's very actionary when I'm going to meet her. I'll get starstruck or I'll cry because of joy, tears of joy, something like that. Or my like starstruck, okay? Like that. And I messaged her. Stay still, stay healthy, and be strong. Don't get affected easily to the negative rumors, whatever. Like that, just be strong. And God bless you, more success to come, though you're already successful. Just let me expect more success to come. Like that. Bless you, take care, hope to see you soon. I love you, my songbird.